다음은요. microwave, 즉 전자레인지에 넣어서 데워라 라는 말을 하는데 앞서 설명을 드렸듯이 뭐 put it in the microwave, 뭐 warm it in the microwave 다 좋은데 재밌는 동사가 nuke, 그죠? 원래 nuke 같은 경우는 핵무기를 뜻하는 말이기도 하고요. 동사로 핵무기로 공격을 하다, 핵무기와 같은 그런 비슷한 무기로 공격을 가하다라는 뜻으로도 쓰입니다. 근데 여기서는 공격의 개념은 아니겠죠. 그렇죠? 그냥 nuke it in the microwave 그러면 의뢰의 전자레인지에 데우라는 말을 할 때 쓰는 구어체적인 표현입니다. 다시 한번 연습하세요.
Just nuke it in the microwave. Just nuke it in the microwave. Just nuke it in the microwave. 전자레인지에 넣어서 데워. 혹은 짧게요. Just nuke it. Just nuke it. 한 번 더 해볼까요? Hey, just nuke it.
자, 그 다음은요. 얼마나 오랫동안 warm, 데워야 하느냐. warm 같은 경우도 it's very warm, 따뜻한 이라는 형용사로 쓰이지만 동사로 쓰이면 뜨겁게 하다라기보다는 데우다, 좀 뜨뜻하게 데우다의 의미가 있겠죠. 자, warm 대신에 defrost라는 말도 있긴 있었죠. 아까 해동하다. 자, 시간을 물어볼 때 how long do I have to warm it? How long do I have to warm it? 동사로요. 같이 한번 해보세요.
How long do I have to warm it? How long do I have to warm it? How long do I have to warm it? 얼마 동안, 몇 분 동안 데워야 합니까? 라는 질문이고요. 자, 그럼 warm 대신에 defrost를 넣어서 몇 분 동안 해동을 시켜야 되죠? 해볼까요? How long do I have to defrost it? How long do I have to defrost it? 자, defrost 철자법 알려드리겠습니다. It's spelled D-E-F-R-O-S-T. defrost.
마지막 문장으로는요. 일단은 전자레인지 이야기를 하면서 시간을 얘기를 좀 해볼 수가 있겠죠. 한 1분 30초 정도만 돌리면 괜찮을 거야. A minute and a half should be fine then. 해보세요.
A minute and a half should be fine then. A minute and a half should be fine then. One last time. A minute and a half should be fine then.
Okay, it's time to listen to our dialogue one last time. There are going to be blanks in the dialogue.
Yes.
You first listen to it and then repeat after the sentence one time. And then it'll pop up again. You look at that and then you repeat one more time.
Okay, practice out loud, everyone. Here's the dialogue one last time.
I'm hungry. Do you have something to eat? Do you have something to eat?
There's some leftover pizza in the box. There's some leftover pizza in the box.
But it's cold.
Just nuke it in the microwave. Just nuke it in the microwave.
Oh, that's an idea. Where's the microwave?
It's next to the gas stove in the corner.
I see it. How long do I have to warm it? How long do I have to warm it?
How many pieces are you having?
I don't know. Perhaps 3?
A minute and a half should be fine then. A minute and a half should be fine then.
Okay, it's now time for Tell Me, Tell Me.
Yes. Tammy will be asking this question. What do you use the microwave for?
전 세계적으로 쓰는 그런 가정용품이기 때문에
네.
아주 흔하게 질문을 할 수 있을 거고 물어볼 수 있을 겁니다. What kind of things do you expect to come?
To warm up milk, perhaps?
Milk?
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, as you mentioned, to kind of warm things up when they're actually cold, leftover pizza, for example.
Exactly.
Let's see what else. to make popcorn. 네.
팝콘도 빠질 수가 없네요. 전자레인지용 팝콘 있잖아요.
네.
물론 이제 직접 이제 팝콘 가게 가서 하는 팝콘이 맛있긴 맛있는데
Sure.
집에서 먹어도 맛있는 팝콘 많이 있는 것 같아요.
아하.
자, 그럼 다양한 그런 이야기들 들을 거라고 생각이 듭니다. 들어볼 거라고 생각이 드는데요. 텔미텔미 코너는요. 저희가 이제 말하기를 이제 연습하는 그런 방송이기도 하지만 텔미텔미는 자연스러운 발화 속도의 원어민 대화를 들을 수 있기 때문에 청취 실력 향상에도 많이 도움이 되고 스크립트를 저희가 제작해서 홈페이지에 다 올려드려서 여러분이
네.
볼 수 있게 도와드리고 있습니다. 많은 이용 부탁드리고요.
Okay, are you ready, everyone? Let's take you to Tell Me,
Tell me.
Hi there, everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Tammy on Tell Me Tammy. Now today for Unit 412, our question is, what do you use the microwave for? What do you use the microwave for? Well, for me, whenever I want to cook something instant, I use the microwave because it's very fast and it's quick. What do you use the microwave for? Let's go ask other people and see what they use the microwave for. Follow me. Hi, how are you doing?
Doing great.
Okay. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is David, and I'm from the United States.
Okay, David. Today our question is, what do you use the microwave for?
Microwave. Well, I don't use a microwave a lot,
Okay.
but when I do, I like to make popcorn.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, and my wife and I, we love popcorn, and at night, we like to watch TV and eat popcorn.
Nice. Okay, so popcorn, you said you enjoy it a lot. When it comes to cooking it in the microwave, how long does it take?
Usually we cook it for 3 minutes, but we stop about 15 seconds before it's about to stop all the way. So you have to wait for the kernels to 2 seconds in between each pop is when you're supposed to stop.
Okay, so I have to ask, what do you stop at 15 seconds before it becomes 3 minutes because you're impatient?
Right.
What's the reason for it?
It's kind of just a little bit of the impatience, but also if you wait the full 3 minutes, we found that sometimes the popcorn is burned, and sometimes the popcorn even shoots out of the bag if it's or burns through a hole in the bag.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to stop early.
All right, and